What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And ladies and gentlemen, let's get right into it. This is Coyote swap number 6. Obviously, my car is number 5. We had Dover's, we had Todd's, and anyway, there's some other ones I can't. Oh, the wagon and some other ones. But anyway, this, ladies and gentlemen, is number 6. Alex, you killed it, dude. You killed it. It looks good. But this is actually going to be the first fire of Alex Coyote swap. And I must say, ladies and gentlemen, I am very, very jealous that my car is not black. I'm also very jealous that my car does not have black interior.
You black interior.
But I need some black interior. Yeah, he's got obviously the Dakota cluster. You gotta have the Dakota cluster. And then he's got the power by the hour control pack for the 6R80. See, this is the cool thing about these builds, is inside the glove box is basically what I like to call the server room. And especially at night when you open up the glove box, you can see all these little lights flashing. It looks like a server room. But sure, no, the car is not done. No, it's not, 100%. But everything is here. And we're going to light this thing off here real quick. Okay, before we go any farther, Dover, you actually scored some goodies at the World Finals last week. And we got to check these things out.
B-lock for the win.
See that? Forged. Right there. You have to mortgage your house to buy some wheels like this new, but when you can get them for a deal, they don't hurt quite as bad.
Scored the interior.
Yes, yes. Now this was another deal. Okay, now is this is the driver's seat?
Yeah, it's power.
Okay, so we got a power black driver's seat. Actually, I mean, we've got all the interior. This is a black tweed coupe interior. Good luck finding that again. Anyway, look at this. This is the bolster. Black tweed on the driver's seat. Did he say how many miles were on this car when all the interior come out? I mean, obviously low.
It's a silver coupe, though.
Silver? Wow, that was a rare car.
Yes, that's what he said.
Super rare car.
And he painted it maroon.
Why?
Yeah.
I mean, come on.
He's like maroon, man.
But yeah, super good score there. And this interior is actually going in the Wild Strawberry car. If you saw the subscribers ride video 2 weeks ago, we did an update on the Wild Strawberry car. The paint looks phenomenal, and this interior is going in it. It's going to be the price went up. I mean, the price went up because the interior alone is worth like $1,500. Obviously, because you're not going to find this. But anyway, let's get rolling. Corey, what are you doing?
Painting it black.
Are you taking the wheels apart?
Yeah, we're doing the centers black.
And ladies and gentlemen, we actually just got out here, and if you caught the Bowling Green video, Corey promised to have the shift knob out here. So Corey, where is it? We got to show everybody the shift knob.
Oh, I forgot.
No, I'm just kidding. I already talked to Corey about that. We're not going to hold him accountable too bad for it because we're all excited about firing off Alex's car. Definitely going to be a good day. All right, so we are about to light off Alex's Coyote swap number 6, but I did want to show you we got the engine back in the 83. This is the one that was on the stand that twisted the oil pump drive shaft. We do have a carb for it, just got to throw that on there, and this thing is back to life. This car is so freaking cool. I mean, look at this car. T-tops. I absolutely love this car. It's actually really in really good shape on the interior. I don't know what the seats look like. The seats look pretty good, actually. I don't want to take those up, but yeah, this is super cool. All it needs is some wheels. So much fun. And there, if you ever wondered what they did about the pillars on the T-top cars, little modification from Cars and Concepts right there. I believe that's who was doing it back in the day. But yeah, engine is back in. That's going to be epic. Seeing all kinds of shiny stuff in the bed of the truck over here.
Doing some swap out.
I spy some 170cc TFS heads.
Trick flows.
Long BBKs.
Those are going bye-bye.
No long BBKs. Are you getting the BBKs?
They're we're swapping out.
Oh,
shorties.
Okay. Shorties for the win.
Shorty BBKs.
And then we got, is the T5 any good?
Yes.
Sweet. Can't have enough of those around.
Ain't having enough yet.
Yeah, we got TFS heads. Little carburetor.
Stage 1 cam.
TFS Stage 1 cam. And this is going in the
SSP.
The SSP car, which, where is the SSP
Right in front
car?
of the truck.
There it is. That is going in the SSP because the motor in the SSP is super tired and a lot of miles and chasing criminals and stuff. So that motor is going in the SSP. That car is going to be awesome. Maybe I can get Dover to sell it to me. I don't know. We'll just have to see. All right, we about to start this thing.
I ain't doing that either.
Uh-oh. Cutting crank bolt.
She ain't clicked yet, has she?
No. I need a short extension.
Alex, it's been a long time. How you feeling?
Anxious. Ready to hear some exhaust.
Yes, sir.
Got some Dynamaxes on here, man.
See, and I'm jealous of Alex. He's got this like net over his filter. I don't have a net. I'm ordering a net today. That is not cool. Dover and I were just talking how Alex is totally making us look bad with his build, and so we're gonna have to up our game. But
I like a whole lot more there.
I'm gonna get this crank bolt torqued down, make some noise. Hold on. Dover, you just said something. What did you say?
That's it.
All right, let's do this. This is first Coyote. This is Coyote Swap number 6. First fire. Alex is all excited. He's like a proud father over there. In case he faints, Corey's there to catch him. He's kind of standing point. Dover's gonna fire it. I'm manning the camera. Just fire at it. Flat.
What they do?
A whistle somewhere. Let's see, she's running. It's thinking it over. Burning all the grease off the cook's headers. A little heat in it. Woo! Gonna have to do some learning and adjusting, obviously. But it is alive. Swap number 3 or 6. I can't even think today. Cluster's powered up and working. Let's see what this exhaust sounds like. Oh yeah, buddy. There's Coyote cold start. Making some noise. Thinking it over. Alex, can we get a woohoo? There you go. Car's not wanting to take any throttle. We're gonna swap the pedal real quick. See what happens. So is the pedal. That just means you gotta pull the pedal now. Fabulous. Woo! Quit working again.
Hella bad too.
Maybe a throttle body.
Don't worry, guys, we'll get it figured out. So guys, it has been an absolutely awesome day out at the shop. Corey, thumbs up on the Coyotes, build number 6. And yours is coming soon too.
It's coming soon.
But only if you bring my shift knob out.
Yes, sir.
All right, guys, so we're going to fool around with Alex's car a little bit more. Got a ton more coming on my car. And we got Foxtoberfest coverage coming and just more builds like right here. You won't believe it. So, in the meantime, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. I will see you on the next upload. Later.